Here's some information about SD cards. When we first designed SonarPoint, we hoped that you could just go to the store, get any SD card you wish, right capacity that you might want, and start using it. In reality, it turns out it's not quite as easy. The primary problem is that the label on an SD card is not indicative of who actually manufactured this SD card and what design revisions internally and manufacturing batch it was. And what we learned quickly is that there are some designs out there from some manufacturers that do not necessarily support the somewhat specialized mode that SonarPoint is using. SonarPoint is designed to provide you maximum recording endurance, so therefore minimum power consumption is required, yet still quite a bit of speed here to transfer all that data at up to 416 kilohertz sample rate. And we do that in a mode called SPI with multi-block transfers, and that is, we have encountered cards that do not support that, and we have found in buying a batch of cards with one label, some of them were really from a different manufacturer and did not support the mode. So discuss your card requirements with Desert Star, and we recommend what it should be. In general, SanDisk cards are the fastest, and you can go up to the 416 kilohertz sample rate of the recorder, but they also consume quite a bit of power. And then in general, Lexa and PNY cards consume less power, but you are limited to 312.5 kilohertz. In general, we also now equip recorders at this time with 512 gigabyte cards, but 1024 gigabyte or 1 terabyte cards are now available. And if your recorder is for a 1 year recording endurance, then we will recommend the 1024 gigabyte cards or 1 terabyte cards. And again, they will all be tested. Each individual card will be tested by Desert Star before we ship it to you.